heat.
We found a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am. We're standing with Mark Walters now. Mark, tell us a little bit about this car.
Okay, it's a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am with a Super Duty engine option. It was only 212 made with the 4-speed option, which this one has. They made a total of 1,200 with this engine over a 2-year period in 1973 and 1974. It's factory rated at 290 horsepower. A lot of people consider it the last of the muscle cars. I guess the last of the big engine, small body.
Did you restore the car?
I did a lot of work on it. It was in pretty good shape when I first got it. It's only got 43,000 original miles on it, so it's been well cared for. Never goes out in the winter or the rain or anything.
How long have you owned the car?
I've owned it about 2.5 years. I got it from a gentleman in Decatur, Indiana. I traded a Corvette in on it.
Would you sell it?
No, I don't think so.
Lane. It's going to be John Hutchins, 28-year-old out of Hardin, Kentucky, inside of a 1970 Buick GS convertible, 455 cubic inches.
Well, Dan, his opponent is Mark Walters out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. He's a police officer by trade. Driving a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am, he had the advantage on the starting line, and he's carrying it all the way down the track. Look at this. Turns on the boards with a 14.06 win to a 14.53.
It'll be Mark Walters. He's that police officer you told us about earlier. He's in the 74 Pontiac Trans Am, which, by the way, there was only 212 built in 1974 with 4 speeds in them, and he's got one.
He's got one indeed. Jerry Lawson is his opponent over in the other lane, the 67 Plymouth GTX, trying to do it in. But look at there's no contest, Dan.
Well, once a police officer, I guess always a police officer. Always, this time, not in pursuit, but way out ahead for the win. 1390 to 101 miles per hour. And Walters, the Fort Wayne, Indiana police officer, sits behind the wheel of this 74 Pontiac Trans Am. Suloff behind the 64 Dodge 330, 426 cubic inches of wedge motor. And there it is, Suloff with a big hole shot coming out. Walters trying to chase him down. I don't know, it doesn't look good here. Suloff with the big advantage now, but the police officer trying to make a race out of it. Watch them as they go up through the lights. It's Suloff with the win, 1274 to 105 miles per hour.